Hey there! If your Elementor hide page title function is giving you the silent treatment, don't panic. 9 times out of 10, your WordPress theme and its sneaky CSS are to blame for the rogue title that just won't disappear. But fear not. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a few easy steps to send that title packing for good. Click on the Elementor settings icon. Navigate to the layout settings. Check the page title selector field. Navigate to your website and open your page. Right-click on your page title and from the drop-down menu select Inspect. The title CSS properties will be highlighted. Find the class property and double-click to copy the class name. This is the text contained between quotes. Keep in mind, your class name could be different than in this example. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page title selector field. Mark the text after the H1 tag. Paste the style name you copied from your page. Save the modifications made. Return to the editor view. Now go to the page settings. Proceed by clicking the Hide Title toggle. The page title should disappear. I hope this short guide was helpful. Please consider subscribing for more tutorials and guides. Thanks.